Good morning. Hope you all are doing great. So today is our first video in our series Tech in 5 minutes. So here we are starting with Git as a version management system, and also would be doing GitHub for remote code repository. So this is how we are starting from here. So there are two ways. The one is we already have a Git repository and we are cloning that. And another thing is we are just creating a new repository in our local system and then pushing that to the remote repository of Git. So here it is. This is my browser. Yes. So I already have this browser with me. So just need to create a new repository, that is test one. Sorry, new repository. Let's say it's test one, and I just created that. Another thing, what I need to do, uh, give me a minute, let me adjust it. Yes. So right now I am in Code Pathshala. I'm just creating a new repository here, that is test git, seeding it, changing directory to it, this repository. And the first command, the first thing, you should have git installed with you. So just check it. So I already have it. You can just install git by just few next commands. So now I have git. So first command should be git init. uh, Before it, let's see. Right now we don't have any file here. Hyphen L is for the hidden commands. So here is no file till now. Now it's get init. So once we did it, now we have a git command, and this is .git. So usually it's a hidden file, so no file till now. If we do this, so this git file records all the controls, all the commits and all the stuff in it. So now I'm just making a new file, that is, let's say, test.txt, and writing the stuff here. I am a test file, saving it. So now we have test file. Now the next command is git add. So whether we can add the complete directory by doing this dot, or we can add the required file. So I just have one file, so I can go anyway. So right now doing this. Next is commit with a message, and I am putting initial commit only. So now if I check the git status, then it will show nothing to commit. I already have committed everything. If I create one more file here, let's say test2.txt, and right here I am test file 2, and I again check git status, then it will show that that test2 has been uncovered. And again git add dot, now this been added but haven't been committed. And if I get commit hyphen m another test file and check the git status, it will show nothing to commit. Now we want to push it to the remote branch which we have saved earlier, that is a test file, that is a test button directory on GitHub. So here is git push, where to push, the first, the remote directory, and from where, which branch, that is master branch. So here it will ask you your password, but I already been using GitHub since quite a lot time, so it would not ask me password because I already have my file, pps file here. So it's going to push there. It's done. Now we can check it on Chrome. So if I come here to this directory, so these two files are here. Another thing, if we want to do, we can just create another directory, that is test2, and let's say initialize it with readme, and here it is. So how this is different? So right now I am going to get out of this directory and creating one more, let's say git remote, changing directory to it and cloning that web directory. Sorry, it's git clone. So now we have cloned the directory, that test2 cd test2. We already have readme file here, so just create one more file here, that is vim test.txt. Just write here some text. I am a test file. Now we don't need to get init because we are not initializing that. The initialization part is already done on the remote location. So we have this. Now git add, git commit first file. Don't forget to put it quotes because it's a message. And git push. We are pushing to the origin from the master branch. That's it. So if we check here, now we also have this text file. So this is all about the git init, git add, git commit, and git push. So this is how you can manage your local repository, manage your local git, and also can push the code to the remote location. So in the next video on in this series on git, we will cover more stuff. Thank you. Thank you.